Afternoon. Today is Thursday. We are going to learn how to solder by using a hot air gun. So first of all, let's switch on the hot air gun. We are going to use 400 degree centigrade, and we are going to set air volume to 3. So let's wait for it. So we're going to solder first this MOSFET at this position. It's using a soldering paste. So let's check your hot air gun. You need to avoid to burn the PCB. So this MOSFET is already. So now we are going to solder this capacitor. So a little flat or soldering paste. Check your heat gun in order to avoid to burn the PCB. So, and this one is already. So the last one, we're going to solder this capacitor. This one at this position. So let's reduce the amount of air volume so that we can solder this capacitor properly. So it's done. So let me switch off the hot air gun. So don't forget to subscribe, to like and share.